Custom checkpoints make Stable Diffusion a such powerful and amazing AI image generator. The main perk of Stable Diffusion being open sourced is you can train your own custom models and create amazing artworks with that. And many talented people has done just the thing. They have created several stunning custom models that you can install in your Stable Diffusion web UI and use as per your choice. Let's go to a website like Civit AI where you can download a custom model for yourself. Currently we have this Rave animated model open here. Click on download. Once we have downloaded that model, just copy this model, go to Stable Diffusion web UI folder, find models, Stable Diffusion and paste it here. Go to extension and apply and restart UI. Now you can start seeing that Rave animated checkpoint model in the list of available checkpoints. And that's how you install a custom checkpoint in Stable Diffusion within a matter of very few minutes. If you want to learn even more tips and tricks about Stable Diffusion, then watch this video right here.